friends, good morning everyone. Today we have to start topic number 4, ledger, question number, illustration number 14 and page number 111. Okay, see in this question the following balances appear in the ledger of current on 1st January 2018. Debit balances are given and credit balances are given. After that, January 5th, bought goods from Rishi rupees 10,000. See, in this question, we have to prepare journal entry and after that, ledgers. Okay, so we have to start journal entry. This is the format of journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. See, in the books of current, we have to pass journal entries. So first transaction, January 5th, bought goods from Rishi rupees 10,000. Bought goods, that is purchase goods from Rishi rupees 10,000. See, this purchase is based on credit basis. Okay, so journal entry January 1st 2018, purchase account debit 10,000 to Rishi's account credit 10,000, being goods purchase on credit because credit basis purchase is there. Okay, after that, second transaction, January 10th, drew from bank rupees 20,000 for office and rupees 6,000 for self use. See, in this transaction, combined entry is there. Drew from bank means withdraw from bank rupees 20,000 for office and rupees 6,000 for self use. So this 20,000 for office use and 6,000 for self use. Self use means drawing. And in that balances Bank of Maharashtra is given. Okay. So here कौन से बैंक से विड्रॉ किया है? बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र से. So whenever we have to withdraw amount from bank for office use, then entry is on 10th January, cash account debit. This is withdrawn for office use 20,000. Office use means cash account debit to bank account credit. So cash account debit 20,000 and 6,000 for self use. Self use, that's why drawings account. So यहाँ पे किसके बुक में हम बना रहे हैं? करण के. So current's drawing account debit 6,000 to Bank of Maharashtra account credit 26,000. This is combined entry, being amount withdrawn for personal use and office use. After that, 17 date transaction, 17 January, return goods to Rishi rupees 2,000. 2,000 के goods return किए हैं ऋषि को. So first transaction we have to purchase. Then another 17 date transactions, goods return, that is purchase return. So entry is date 17, Rishi's account debit 2,000 to purchase return account credit 2,000, being goods returned to Rishi. See, we have to remember that purchase account is always having debit balance and purchase return account is having credit balance, just opposite balance. After that, date 19, cash purchases rupees 14,000. See, cash purchases means purchase is based on cash basis. So entry is 19 January, purchase account debit 14,000 to cash account credit 14,000. Narration, being goods purchased for cash. After that, date 22, cash sale rupees 20,000. Cash sale means sale is based on cash basis. So date 22, cash account debit 20,000 to sales account credit 20,000, being goods sold for cash. See, we have to remember that purchase account is always having debit balance and sales account is always having credit balance. Then date 26, deposited into bank rupees 16,000. सी यहाँ पे डेबिट बैलेंस में क्या दिया है? बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. सो कौन से बैंक में पैसा डिपॉजिट किया है? बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. सो एंट्री इज, व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू डिपॉजिट कैश इनटू बैंक, देन एंट्री इज Bank of Maharashtra account debit 16,000. Bank of Maharashtra account debit 16,000 to cash account credit 16,000 being cash deposited into bank. After that, last transaction, that is date 28, interest collected by bank rupees 7,000 on our behalf. See, in this transaction bank is collected our interest. So date 28, journal entry, Bank of Maharashtra account debit 7,000 to interest account credit 7,000. Here bank collected interest means interest received. Okay, interest received. So entry is bank account debit 7,000 to interest account credit 7,000 being interest collected by bank on our behalf. That's why entry is Bank of Maharashtra account debit to interest account credit. After that, our next step, we have to do the total of this journal entries. So debit total and credit total. So here we have to do the total. Total is 95,000 debit column amount and credit column amount 95,000. Okay, our next step is we have to prepare ledgers account. So here all ledgers we have to prepare. Purchase account, Rishi account, cash account, then Kiran's drawing account, then purchase return account, after that sales account. Okay, then another one, interest account. So here we have to prepare different ledgers. Purchase account first. Okay, then Rishi account, cash account, Kiran's drawing account, purchase return account, sales account, Bank of Maharashtra and interest received account. And after that we have to prepare trial balances as on 31st January 2018. Now ledger posting is there. See, first purchase account. In this question, debit balances are given and credit balances are given. Okay, so first we have to open purchase account. Purchase account balances is given 80,000. Purchase is always having debit balance. So debit side we have to post, because debit balances is there, to balance brought down, that is opening balance 80,000. Okay, then we have to post entries, posting them journal entries into ledger. Purchase account debit to Rishi's account credit 10,000. So purchase debit we have to post opposite, that is to Rishi's account, here 10,000, 5th January. After that, here Rishi's account already we have to prepare, here Rishi's account. So Rishi's account, first journal entry Rishi's account credit side. Okay, credit side Rishi's account is there. So Rishi's account के opposite में we are posting buy purchase account 10,000 rupees. So first journal entry we are posting. Then we have to make a tick. After that, cash account debit 20,000. So before posting this journal entry, we have to see the balances. Cash account debit balance is given 60,000. So cash account के debit side में, here cash account debit side we have to write 1st January 2018 to balance brought down 60,000. Balances first we have to record, and whenever we are recording these transactions, then make a tick. Okay, cash is over, purchase account is over. Then we have to post these journal entries. Cash account debit, so cash के debit में 20,000 we are writing, but opposite we are posting to Bank of Maharashtra. So cash के debit में here we are posting to Bank of Maharashtra account 20,000. Okay, afterwards Kiran's drawing account debit 6,000. Kiran's drawing account भी open किया है. Okay, so here Kiran's drawing, next account Kiran's drawing account. Here also Kiran's capital is given. So Kiran drawing account debit to Bank of Maharashtra January 10th account 6,000. Okay, so here Kiran's drawing is also over. Then another account, that is Bank of Maharashtra, to Bank of Maharashtra. जैसे होता है वैसे we have to make a tick here. Okay, here also we have to make tick, here also we have to make tick. Then to Bank of Maharashtra, credit side 26,000. But before that, here balances is given Bank of Maharashtra account debit balances is given. So here Bank of Maharashtra account is there, Bank of Maharashtra account. Okay, debit side we have to write the balances. January 1st to balance brought down 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so and here Bank of Maharashtra credit side. So Bank of Maharashtra के credit में opposite we are posting. So buy cash and buy current drawing account. Buy cash here 20,000. Buy cash account January 10th 20,000 and buy current drawing account 6,000. So here also second journal entry is completed. Then Rishi's account debit 17 date. Rishi's account debit to purchase return account. So already we are preparing Rishi's account debit. So debit side Rishi के debit में we are posting to purchase return account 2,000 rupees. And here also we have to open purchase return account. Okay. So purchase entry is here Rishi's account enter किया. After that Rishi's account debit to purchase return. So purchase return credit side में है 2,000. So credit side we are posting opposite purchase return के. By Rishi's account date January 17, 2,000 amount. Okay. So third journal entry is also posting. Then 19 date transactions. Purchase account debit to cash account credit. So purchase के debit में we are recording debit side to cash. Purchase के debit में we are recording to cash account for 14,000 19 date. Okay, and cash credit side में है यहाँ पे cash credit side. So credit side of cash we are recording by purchases. Cash क्या January 19 by purchases account 14,000. After that next date 2022 cash account debit 22 date cash account debit to sales account credit. So cash debit. So cash के debit में we are recording to sales account. Cash debit में we are recording to sales account 20,000. And here we have to open another sales account. So sales के credit side में क्या आएगा? By sales के credit side में क्या आएगा? By cash account. See here 22 date. By cash account 20,000. Okay. So here printing mistake is there. To sales 19 date लिखा है, printing mistake is there. Date is what? 22. So date is here 22 date is there. Okay, afterwards this transaction 22 date transaction is also over. Then come to the 26 date transactions, that is Bank of Maharashtra account debit to cash account credit. So Bank of Maharashtra account, here we have to already open Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, so Bank of Maharashtra account debit 16,000. So Bank of Maharashtra के debit में we are recording to cash account 16,000. But before that balances is given. See here Bank of Maharashtra 1 lakh rupees. So debit side balances is there, to balance brought down 1 lakh rupees. And next to cash account 16,000 बैंक के डेबिट में. एंड आफ्टर दैट कैश इज गिवन. कैश क्रेडिट में है 16,000. सो कैश के क्रेडिट में वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हियर. बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र अकाउंट क्रेडिट 16,000. ओके, आफ्टरवर्ड्स लास्ट journal entry Bank of Maharashtra account debit to interest account credit. See Bank of Maharashtra debit. So debit side we are recording to interest received account 7,000. Okay, to interest received account debit 7,000. And we have to open another account, that is interest received account. So interest received account, see in that journal entry, interest is on credit side, interest received account, credit side 7,000. See, this is interest, credit का interest है, that is interest received account. Okay, so interest received credit side में है, इसीलिए interest received के credit में we are recording by January 28, 2018 by Bank of Maharashtra 7,000. Okay, so here all journal entries we are posting into different ledgers. Now next step is to do the total. See, first do the total of purchase account. Purchase account का पहले total करेंगे. See here credit side कुछ नहीं है, so debit side we have to do the total. Total is 1,04,000. And then credit side no any amount is there, so we have to write here balances by balance carried down on date 2018 31st January 1,04,000. Both the side total equal, and this closing balances, January closing balances, this is opening balance for the next month, that is February 1st to balance brought down 1,04,000. Debit balances. So debit balances we are recording here, trial balance is there, afterwards we have to prepare. Then Rishi's account close करेंगे. So here debit side 2,000 total is there and credit side 10,000, so more credit total is there. So first we have to do the maximum amount total, that is 10,000. After that here also we have to write 10,000, so 10,000 minus 2,000, 8,000, this is the balance. Okay, to balance carried down 8,000 31st January. After that this carried down balances brought down for the next month, opposite side February 1st by balance brought down 8,000. After that cash total करेंगे. So cash total, debit side total is 1 lakh rupees and credit side total is 30,000. So 1 lakh minus 30,000, 70,000, this is the balance 31st January by balance carried down. Both the side equal total, and this carried down balance is brought down for the next month, opposite side February 1st to balance brought down 70,000. After that current drawing account total we have to do. Debit side 6,000 and here no any balances is there, then we have to write January 31st 2018 by balance carried down 6,000. Then this balance is brought down for the next month, opposite side 6,000. After that purchase return, credit side का ज़्यादा है total, so we have to do the total 2,000 here, and here we have to write to balance carried down January 31st, and this carried down balances is brought down for the next month February 1st. After that sales total here 60,000, that credit balances we have to record here, this sales credit balance that we have to record by balance brought down 40,000. Okay, after that 60,000, and here no any amount is there, then we have to write here balances January 31st to balance carried down. Next month it is brought down opposite side February 1st by balance brought down, because sales is always having credit balance. Then Bank of Maharashtra total, here debit side is more, that is 1,23,000 minus credit total 26,000. So 1,23,000 minus 26,000 credit total, so balance difference आता है 97,000. That is January 31st by balance carried down, that is closing balances. Same total both the side 1,23,000, 1,23,000 double line, and this balance is brought down for the next month, that is February 1st. After that last ledger interest received account, so here credit side amount is there 7,000, then here we have to do the total, and January 31st to balance carried down, this balance is brought down for the next month, that is February 1st by balance brought down. After that we have to prepare trial balance on the basis of these ledgers. So trial balance as on 31st January 2018. This trial balance is journal form trial balance. Journal form, that is serial number, particulars, that is name of the account, then ledger folio, then debit amount rupees and credit amount rupees. So here we have to purchase account is there. Purchase is always having debit balance, that is 1,04,000. So here we have to write purchases 1,04,000. After that, Rishi's account, here credit balance is there. Rishi's account credit balance 8,000. So credit side we have to write Rishi's account 8,000 credit side. Okay. After that, cash account. Cash is having debit balance 70,000. So cash we have to record debit side, cash 70,000 debit column. After that, current drawing account, debit balance 6,000. So here debit side, current drawing 6,000. Afterwards, purchase return account. Purchase return credit balance होता है. Okay, buy balance brought down. Credit side, purchase return we have to write here purchase return 2,000 rupees. Afterwards, sales account. Sales is always having credit balance. Okay, buy balance brought down 60,000. So credit side, sales, here we are writing credit side 60,000. Afterwards, Bank of Maharashtra 90. Here debit balance to balance brought down 97,000. So debit side, Bank of Maharashtra, debit side 97,000. Afterwards, interest received account. So interest received account, here credit side, buy balance brought down. So credit में है, so credit में we have to record interest received account here 7,000. And here after that, current capital is given here. Balances में दिया है starting में question. Current capital account 2 lakh rupees. So here we have to write current capital account 2 lakh. Okay. Now we have to do the total of debit side. ये पूरा टोटल आता है डेबिट साइड का 2,77,000 एंड क्रेडिट टोटल 2,77,000. टोटल बोथ द साइड्स आर इक्वल. So this is trial balance. Okay, trial balance as on 31st January 2018. So first we have to prepare journal entries, okay, on the basis of these balances and transactions. And after that journal entry we are posting into different ledgers. And afterwards we have to prepare here trial balance. Okay. So you have to solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.